What's up guys, we are back again and we're just going to do a quick little oil change. It's supposed to rain in a couple hours, so hopefully I will finish before it starts raining. But yeah, I already got the wheel or the car up on the planks. Gonna jack it up and then we can get started. I'm gonna take off this plastic piece. 1, 2, and then 3. So, there's your oil filter. You can use a 3/8 and then loosen that little cap right there. So this is the housing with the O-ring that you're supposed to switch out, and then yeah. So normally you're supposed to use a 3/8 head to twist off this cap, and then use this supplied little plastic thing, kind of like puncture it, and then it the excess oil from the filter will drain out from here, instead of taking off this whole filter and then getting it dirty like I did. But yeah, I'm going to try to loosen this bit and then make it easier for me to remove next time. So took it off. There's the O-ring. You're going to replace it with that small O-ring right there, and then put the cap back on. There's the other O-ring. Going to replace it with the new one, and then just pop the new filter in there. Let's pop this back in. Time to put the this cap back on. There's the oil pan right there, and it's draining. I don't know if you can see it. Alrighty, hard part all done. Time to fill it up with oil now. It's hot. So this is the oil I'm using. Whatever was on sale at Canadian Tire. I honestly don't give a shit. Just gonna pour it in there. I think the gs350 all-wheel drive uses 6.7 quarts with the filter, so I bought 7 liters here, so just gonna start putting it in. So we're inside the car, and just a little pro tip for myself that I'm imparting onto you guys. Maybe everyone does this, but yeah, trip A on the odometer, I keep that for the gas tank, just to let myself know the range I get per tank basically. And then trip B on the odometer is specifically for oil changes, so I keep that to kind of remind myself how long ago the last oil change was. So you can see I've driven 56 kilometers since I changed the oil yesterday. But yeah, I typically try to change the oil every 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers. And yeah, I know you can put it the service inside the infotainment system, but it's buried inside the menus and stuff, and it's kind of cumbersome to get to. But it's just easier to put it in here for me. Alrighty, we are all done, and it's actually sun is shining, so I guess Go was wrong about the weather. Put about 6.5 quarts of oil in there. I'm gonna let the oil settle and then check it and then see where it's at, and then just add accordingly. But yeah, super quick video of oil change on a gs350. Until next time, see you guys later.